Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up your Honda Civic. Before you begin, always ensure your vehicle is on a flat, stable surface. Engage the parking brake completely and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will stay on the ground. This crucial first step prevents any accidental movement. You'll need a reliable hydraulic jack, 2 sturdy jack stands, and a lug wrench for this task. Safety is paramount, so let's get started correctly. Now let's find the front jacking point. Look directly behind the engine oil pan near the center of the front subframe. This is the strongest point to lift the front of your Civic. Carefully position your hydraulic jack squarely under this central point. Slowly raise the vehicle, ensuring it lifts evenly. Once the front wheels are clear, place your 2 jack stands securely under the reinforced pinch weld areas just behind the front wheels. Then, gently lower the car onto the stands. Moving to the rear, locate the central jacking point on the subframe, often a sturdy crossmember. This provides a stable and safe point to lift the entire rear of your Civic. Carefully align your hydraulic jack directly underneath this central point. Slowly pump the jack handle to raise the vehicle, ensuring a smooth ascent. Once the rear wheels are off the ground, place 2 jack stands securely under the reinforced pinch weld areas, just in front of the rear wheels. Gently lower the car onto the stands. When you're ready to lower your Civic, first use your hydraulic jack to slightly raise the vehicle off the jack stands. This takes the weight off, allowing easy removal. Once the jack stands are clear, slowly and carefully release the pressure on your hydraulic jack, allowing the vehicle to descend smoothly to the ground. After the car is fully on its wheels, remove the hydraulic jack and don't forget to take out the wheel chocks. You've successfully and safely jacked up and lowered your Honda Civic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.